This is a demonstration video for RFG panelists using the ORCHID health database. ORCHID is operated by Dogs Australia. This is the homepage. The URL is orchid.ankc.org.au. Just looking at the homepage, we have 3 health schemes: CHED for hips and elbows, ACEs for eyes, and of course RFG. Each of these schemes has its own homepage. There's some links here for additional information about the RFG scheme from Cambridge University and the Kennel Club, and an RFG homepage on ORCHID. There's more information about the scheme, grade definitions, and the latest statistics, which are updated daily. And at the bottom, we have a list of all of the RFG panelists. These are actual account details. So if you are a panelist, it's important that you keep these details up to date. Returning to the home page, enter your account and password and click sign in. Now, this landing page has various buttons for entering, updating your contact details, as I mentioned. So your name, email, website, phone number, address. If any of those change at any time, please update them. So the first button is for entering RFG results, updating, reporting any technical issues, searching for previous RFG results. These are the RFG terms and conditions under which you as a panelist or assessor are operating. This is an RFG summary. This is only visible to RFG panelists. It just outputs all of the results in a tabular form. Back to the home page. Entering RFG results, click on this button. The first step is to select the subject. If the subject is a Dogs Australia dog, you would enter the registration here and click Search Dogs Australia. If it isn't, you can click on this button here, which is for entering a non-Dogs Australia entry. Registration number, animal name, etc. If the dog does not have a registration number, then we recommend that you put in MC and the microchip number. So for demonstration purposes, we're going to be using a fake registration number. So enter in part or all of the registration number and click Search Dogs Australia. One or more results may be returned. Select the correct one and then click the Select button. This information comes from the Dogs Australia database. So these are all these fields will be filled in. The fields are grayed out because you can't modify these. These are the official recordings for that subject. Having selected the subject, you can fold that up. Next, we have the general section, where you would enter the date examined. The examiner is automatically filled in. The contact name and details are filled in from the owner's details. The contact may be different from the owner, in which case you would edit these fields. The next two sections are the observations and the functional grading observations. So we'll put in some fake values for these. And just put in some comments. If the owner has indicated they want to share these results publicly, you would select yes for permission to publish. Otherwise, leave it blank or select no. Do a second check of all the results that you've entered and then click Submit RFG Result. If you realize that you need to modify some of these, just click this button here, Edit the RFG Assessment just entered. Scroll all the way down and click Enable Changes. I'll just add some exclamation marks there. And then click the Update RFG Exam Results. You can now view the certificate. This includes your signature, which is something that you should also send to us when your account is first created. You can click the download button in your browser to get a copy of that on your computer, or you can click this button, Email Certificate to Self, or Email Certificate to Contact and Self. So that's now been entered. So when we go to search the RFG results and just click search, let's go to the last page. This is in date order. We can see that another result has been entered here for this entry. And these are the numbers that we entered. That completes the demonstration for RFG panelists.